Hi, it's Chef Rick, and today I'm making the Scala salad.
First ingredient we're going to need for this is iceberg lettuce. Now this is going to be for 2 people and all the quantities are going to be down in the description below. What you do with the iceberg is just going to chop it really thin, very carefully. So you get a lovely shredded iceberg. And now some romaine lettuce, going to do exactly the same. Just very carefully, nice and thin. Just a slight bit of different texture, very light different flavour and a lovely little bit of colour. So that's your lettuce base. And to that we're going to add some salami. Use the best salami you can get. And we want tiny little strips, kind of matchsticky bits. So I've rolled it up a bit like a cigar and then we're going to chop it nice and thinly. I've never ever heard of this salad before. I believe it's gone viral because the lovely Kim Kardashian enjoys it. One of my friends who was a bit into all that sort of stuff, he messaged and said, "You ever heard of the Scala salad?" I'm like, no, Googled it, looked amazing, tasted amazing. So yeah, big fan of this one. Some firm mozzarella. Grate that yourself. Don't use the grated mozzarella that you get in the packets because it's got like I don't know what it is on the outside, but it almost feels like a flour or something to stop it sticking. Anyway, use fresh mozzarella like that. Mozzarella goes in. Chickpeas, good quality chickpeas, and we're just going to remove the skin from them. Again, in another video I did, which is criminally underwatched, is the hummus video. Put a link to it there, where I'll show you a really good technique on really how to remove all of the skins from your chickpeas. But that's what you want to do, remove the skins. And you're going to add chickpeas as well. Again, you can see I'm being a bit approximate with all the weights and measures at this stage. With a salad like this, it's kind of up to you how much you add of everything. It just looked a bit short of chickpeas there, so like, you know what, get the rest of them in there. The salami, of course, I'm going to get in the mozzarella. Give that a good mix around, and now we're just going to make the dressing. So for the dressing, we're going to use Parmesan cheese. Again, grate it yourself on a fine grater. Don't use pre-grated Parmesan. Some garlic, which we're going to mint, or again, finely grate like this. Great camera work for me. And let's build the dressing. So some really good quality extra virgin olive oil. All right, red wine vinegar, garlic, some Dijon mustard, a salt and pepper, the Parmesan cheese, and give that a good whisk. Get it all mixed, get it all combined, and then taste it. If you feel that it needs a little something else, if you want it a little bit sharper and you need a little bit more of that vinegar, if you're loving the cheese taste but it's not quite enough for you, a bit more cheese, a bit more garlic. The thing with this whole recipe is down to your personal preference of exactly how you like it. So I tasted it, it was really nice, and well, the 2 examples I gave, I wanted to add a little bit more cheese and a little bit more of that vinegar. Absolutely delicious, really simple, really beautiful dressing, and that's it. Pour the dressing over the salad. Toss it and serve it. It's absolutely beautiful. I love these American style, or these kind of like West Coast American chopped salad. I've got another video on McCarthy salad. Again, not got that many views, but I've put a link to it there. It's very similar to that. They're just really delicious, really beautifully dressed, lovely and light, perfect size to anything. Customize the ingredients to your personal taste, and there you go, the Scala salad. Really hope you enjoyed watching it. It was a pleasure to make, a pleasure to eat, and I'll see you on the next one.